Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to delete your Rockstar Games account permanently. So to do that, open your browser, search for Rockstar, and then go to the official website of Rockstar Games, and then log into your account. Now, after you log into your account, tap the three lines at the upper left corner, and then tap Support. In here, search for how to delete a Rockstar Games Social Club account. Then search for it. Then tap how to request social club account deletion. In here, scroll down until you see the link on your account. In here, scroll down until you see delete account and information. Read through the instructions provided in the article to ensure you understand the process and consequences of deleting your account. Then fill out the required information in the support request form, including your email address, subject, and a description of your request. Submit the support request form and wait for a response from Rockstar Games support. So that's how to delete your Rockstar Games account permanently. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!